How to take long screenshot in iPhone 14. So let's get started. So I am using iPhone 14 and on this phone we will take long screenshot of a web page. First open Safari browser on your iPhone. Now open any website of which you want to take full page screenshot. Now as you can see the web page is pretty lengthy. First we will take a screenshot the normal way. To do that, we will press the combination of power button and volume up button. When you press the combination of these buttons, normal screenshot will be captured. Now tap on screenshot to open. Tap on full page option. Now iOS will automatically scroll through the entire web page and capture it as one long screenshot. On the right side, you will find a screenshot preview that you can swipe down to check the screenshot. At the top, you will find a toolbar using which you can crop the screenshot and make the necessary changes. On the bottom bar, you will find options with which you can highlight the required part on the screenshot. Once you are okay with the screenshot, tap on Done option. Now tap Save PDF to Files. Now select the location to save the screenshot as the PDF file. You can rename the PDF file as per your need. And once done, just tap on Save button at the top right side. So here is the PDF file of the web page screenshot. Note that in case you don't find the full page option, then first close the Safari browser from the background. Now open Safari again from the apps library. Access the web page and then just follow the steps as shown earlier. So that is how you can take long screenshot in iPhone 14. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.